taking the time from me, but no, I don't.
What's up, girl? I'm giving you my 1 month lock updates, and as you probably can already see, I'm super ashamed to come to y'all with this video because basically I'm taking these out. Basically, taking them out, sis. Taking them out. And I'm ashamed to come to y'all with this video because I have absolutely zero reason why I'm taking them out. Like none. I'm slowly taking them out. As you can see, you know, I'm not taking them out in no particular order. A lot of them are shorter. This was like the original length, and then you have some here that's super short, and that's because I'm taking them out, okay? So I didn't want to come to y'all with this video because it's like, sis, why? And I have no reason why, okay? Listen. Ever since I was a teenager and I learned how to do my own hair, I impulsively just take hairstyles out. I just take them out. I could find 1 or 2 flaws, and that makes me take my whole head out instead of fixing that 1 or 2 flaw. Like, let me see if I can find one that's been getting on my nerves. I don't know, because I've been taking them out. Okay, let's see this one for instance. And I just, you know, casually, I'll just run my finger through it. And this right here, this lumpiness, just irks the hell out of me. Irks me, bugs me, gets on my nerves. So over time, you know, I'll keep doing this, and it keeps annoying me, and it keeps annoying me, and it keeps annoying me. And then I just take it out. Like, that's what I do, y'all. That's what I do. Every hairstyle is supposed to last way longer than it does. And this is supposed to be a permanent style. And I let something so small bug me enough. Like, this is another good example. I let something bug me enough that it makes me want to take my entire head out. Like, so let me just give y'all an update. I probably had 2 locks completely slip out. 2 out of the 100 and something that I have in my head. That's pretty awesome, to be honest with you. And it was probably on my shorter parts, which were my sides and my back. Instead of just putting those back in, I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna take all of them out. Just gonna take them all out. So what I would do is I'll fill this, and this got such small slipping. Like, this right here is as far as it's gonna go. But what I would do is force them to slip. So what I would do is yank and pull. Now, literally like this is this. Now, this one wasn't going. It went down a little bit more. This one wasn't trying to come out. But other ones, like these, why these are shorter, is because I would yank and pull and just pull it, and then it'll slip out. So I was definitely forcing these to slip. Like, this might be a good example. Like, see? And so I was just doing that all throughout my head. Hence why I have really short pieces like these and all of that. And so after doing that enough, this is another good one. Let's see. Like, a lot of them don't. They don't want to go. They don't. Like, I can't get that one to slip off. But, you know, over time, I have pieces like these, like this, and all that. And so I just decided, let's just take them all out. And I'm going to start them over. I'm insane, okay? I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I know. Judge your mama, not me, okay? You know, you can judge me too. I'm crazy because these took so long and it cost so much money to do them. And just out the blue, I just yank, pull, and they started to come out. So other than the two that had slipped, I forced them to come out. So the method that I showed you all is still as wonderful. The hair is wonderful. I'm just crazy and I just decided to take them out. I am going to start them over, but the next time I start them over, I'm going to use the kinkier Afro Kinky Bulk hair. If you watch my Afro Kinky Bulk, where to find affordable Afro Kinky Bulk hair video, you will see there's a difference between two different types of Afro Kinky Bulk hair. And this hair, I use the straighter, softer one. Next time I'm going to use the kinkier, rougher one. I don't know, I probably won't even like those because this install is like super soft. It's, you know, the other one's gonna be really, really kinky and coarse, but I want to install those. So my next set is gonna be with kinkier Afro Kinky Bulk hair. It's gonna be shorter. I want it to be like right here. Cute kind of bob kind of thing. Like when I started taking these out and they got shorter, I was like, oh, these are cute. Like this length instead of this length. It's gonna be here. I want more coils on my ends. So this one, the curly ends is like kind of straight. But I want a really kinky, tight spiral kind of coil. And I'm actually going to let a high school friend of mine braid and part my hair for me so that I can have uniform parts and, you know, clean parts and all that. So I'm embarrassed to bring y'all this video because I wanted my update video to be me re-wrapping my roots or doing a retile or retwist, however well I was going to maintain it. But instead, y'all get this. Y'all get me telling y'all that I'm taking it out. So stay tuned. I am going to be giving you all a reinstall video where I show the girl braiding my hair down and me reinstalling these in the way that I prefer it to be. So I know this is super disappointing, but this is what you get. So see y'all later. So before I actually go, I want to show y'all how I remove these in case someone else have wrapped locks and want to remove theirs. So, all right, let's take this baby here. Oh, I want to show y'all my growth too though. Like I have plenty of growth, and in about, if I would have kept these in for another 2 weeks, 3 weeks, if I knew that, if I wanted to keep these in 2 or 3 weeks, I would have probably rewrapped it. But this is, you know, if I would wanted to retwist, it would have flowed very nicely. See? But, you know, instead of doing all that, and I know that I'm about to take them out, I just figured to go ahead and take them out now. But see, this is what it'll look like if I would have retwisted my roots, like real nice. It flows real nice. But all right, let's take this one out. So I know that my hair is short. So you want to cut, this is probably where my hair ends, but I'm just gonna cut here. And basically, you know, it's wrapped. So pull on them, they're gonna start to unravel. See? And then this part is where I have the hair braided, so you know, just unbraid it. It's real simple. Now, I only had these in for a month, so my hair isn't locked whatsoever. If you have yours in for years, I mean a few months, years, whatever, and they started to lock into each other, it ain't gonna be this simple at all. Like, my natural hair is knotted in this really good, so I can only imagine if I had these in for a few more months. See, this is knotted in good. This was not gonna come out on its own. And if your install is done right, you don't want it to be easy to take out. You want it to be difficult to take out, because that's the whole point of getting permanent extensions, is so that they won't come out. All right. Oh, I think I cut some of my hair. Oops. I definitely cut some of my dead. I hope she'll be able to grip that. Let's take another one out. This is a good one. Clearly my hair end stops like right here. So I'm gonna cut it here. And with it being wrapped, you know, just pull on it. They're gonna unravel. So you cannot cut wrap locks. So that's another reason I'm taking these out, is because I want my hair to be shorter, and you cannot cut it because they can easily unravel after they're cut. Unlike the crochet ones, you can cut it, but these, you cannot cut these. I mean, honestly, you just take them out as if you're taking out any other style, any other braided style. You know, you can try to pull as much of it off as you can, but it's really just going to come to the fact that you just have to unravel it, like how you do box braids. Yeah, that's my real hair. You might can pull your real hair out from the wrap part to make it a little bit, you know, just keep unraveling it. It's gonna come out eventually. Stay patient. Don't expect for this to be done quickly. It's a permanent style, so it's gonna be very hard to take them out. Got a knot right here, so if you have short hair, this will be easier than someone with long hair, because someone with long hair will really can't cut a lot out. Short hair people like me, I can cut out as much as I can and then slowly unravel it. I'm going to keep this in real time just so that you can see this is not an easy thing to do. So, I'm sure I'm going to keep this in mind when I get my new set. I'm going to think twice about trying to take these out. All right. I got a little, I guess, I don't know if you want to call this build up. I didn't use any products. It's just dirt, lint, whatever. So, yeah, the next time you see me, this will all be out. And I more than likely will be getting a new install. Peace.
Give me a reason, and I'll pretend I'm in control. Just like the seasons, you're taking the time from me, but no, I don't believe it. This ain't how